I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't watched my last video, which is my best of beauty 2018, where I talk about all my favorite product and also show you how I actually use the product, please go watch the video first, because this video is actually the extended version where I talk about all lips. So lipstick, lip glosses, liquid lipstick will be all in this video, and I think I have like top 15 of them, because if you have a similar skin tone to mine or a bit deeper skin, maybe this lipstick can really be suitable for you. And I just want to show you my favorite, the formulas, the lip colors, and how it just make the overall look super pretty. So I highly recommend you continue watching this video. So that's it for my intro, just very short and simple. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page at DaintyDashBeauty. Like this video if you enjoy, and comment down below what future videos would you like to see, and just keep watching.